So you're looking to buy a brand new house and you're like thinking, man, the prices have gone up so much. I found the perfect community for you guys here in the city of Rialto. If we're looking at some of these prices right here, we got for this collection starting at $576,000. That's gonna be base price. It goes all the way up to around $617,000. Now those prices can always change, but at the time of recording, that's what we have there. Also, HOA here is gonna be in the low 300s right now, but at build out, you're gonna be mid to high 200s for HOA. Tax rate's about 1.9. You get nice amenities here. You get a pool. This thing is really, really nice. You also get a gated community. We're in a gated community here. These are considered detached condos. Now, I personally like plan 4 and 3 in this collection, so I can't wait till you guys see it. You guys be the judge, because the main difference between the two, one is gonna have a bigger great room, and the other one's gonna have a bedroom downstairs. We're gonna be touring model 4 first. It's really nice, almost 2,000 square feet. Let's go check these out. So you're looking for a brand new house, but you don't want to break the bank. We're here in the city of Rialto, checking out these brand new homes. This one right behind me is gonna be 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and it's also going to be over 1,600 square feet. At the time of the recording of this video, these are gonna be priced at around $575,000, $580,000, depending on what upgrades it comes with and location of the actual home. Let's go check this one out. Now, before we head inside, quick reminder, do not come without us to this community. You're gonna want the representation. We always have details below on how you can contact us. Let us negotiate on your behalf. You wanna turn on the light? Oh, yeah. Now we come this way, and these are gonna be detached condos, but you're gonna see the clear separation here. You get the living room area. This is a pretty good sized couch for the space that you get here. You got dining area here, breakfast nook. If you wanted to kind of shrink it, make it look a little bit, or make it feel a little bit wider, you get a small little courtyard on that side as the backyard, and the kitchen. The kitchen's gonna have a nice layout where it's just gonna be super ideal. For the price, brand new, this is what you can kind of expect. HOA right now is gonna be in the low 300s. At build out, it would be around the mid to high 200s with your tax rate around 2%. You also get a powder room on this side. Check that out. Now, let's go see what we got up top. And before we head upstairs, always quick reminder, do not come without us. Details will be below on how you can contact us. You're gonna want the representation. Let's go see what we got up here. Now we come this way, we're gonna have the primary bedroom here. It's nice and open, ideal, plenty of windows here. And it leads into the primary restroom. We got the his and hers. We got the tub right here. Let's go see the rest of the rooms now. You also get a walk-in closet right there. Now come right this way, you're gonna have a bedroom there, check that out. And a quick reminder, 1,665 square feet of living space. So again, for the price, super ideal. We have a restroom here. You do get the washroom right on this side. And this is probably gonna be for your favorite person in the family or whoever is gonna live here in this room. It's nice and spacious, and you get like a semi walk-in closet there. So if you're looking to buy a brand new house, City of Rialto, at a great price, this is going to be it. Details are always below on how you can contact us. Let us help you negotiate on your behalf. Let's help you buy a brand new house here in the city of Rialto. So you're looking for that perfect brand new house in the city of Rialto, and you're thinking, man, all they have is condos out there. Well, we have a detached condo here in the area. Now, at the time of this recording, you're gonna get great incentives, also low 600,000s. This one's gonna be 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, just under 1,900 square feet of living space. The inside is really nice. Now, before we go in, quick reminder, do not come without us to this community. You're gonna want the representation. Let's go check this one out. All right, right when you walk in, you're gonna be greeted by the great room here. And we're gonna have the kitchen area over here. I like how wide and how open this thing is. You have cabinets all throughout. You get the island here. You're also gonna get the living room area right on this side. And you're gonna have a dining area right behind you with a small courtyard right on that side. Now on this one, you don't get the bedroom downstairs, but you're gonna get all 4 bedrooms upstairs. You do get a powder room right here. Check that out. Now we come upstairs, right away you're gonna be greeted by a washroom right there. Check that out. And then you're gonna come this way and you're going to get the primary bedroom. I like how wide it is. You also get a closet right here. Check it out. Now on this one, you don't get the loft upstairs, but you do get all the bedrooms upstairs, which is really nice. You get the shower and tub combo with the his and hers. Now let's go check out the other 3 bedrooms. Now we come this way, we're gonna have one of the bedrooms here. Another bedroom on this side. And you're going to get a shared restroom and bedroom there. Check those out. So the big win for this one is going to be that all the bedrooms are upstairs. You don't get one downstairs, but we do get downstairs is a nice open family room, great room, whatever you want to call it, which is really, really nice. So you got to take kind of both with one another, right? Like, okay, which one do I appreciate more? The open space downstairs, or do I need a loft space and just kind of a better layout upstairs? Preferably, I like the downstairs being open because that's where I'm going to spend most of my time. Quick reminder, do not come without us to these communities. Details will be below on how you can book a 15-minute call. Let's have a quick conversation. Let's help you get to the right one. Let's help you buy a brand new house here in SoCal. So you're looking for an affordable, brand new house. We're here in the city of Rialto, checking out these brand new houses. The one right behind me is gonna be over 1,900 square feet, just under 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. These things are super clean and they have some of the best deals right now. Can't wait to show you guys the inside. Let's go check this one out. Now, before we show you guys the inside, quick reminder, do not come without us to this community. You're gonna want the representation, super important. There's always gonna be some details down below. Let's go see it. So right when you walk in, you're gonna be greeted by the great room here, living room area here, dining area. You do get a small little courtyard, but it's a courtyard, right? These are gonna be detached condos, but they feel like single family homes. Really nice wide kitchen. These things are super clean. Now we come this way and we're gonna have a bedroom down here. Check that out. We're also going to have the shared restroom right here, which is super clean. And you get access to the garage through here. Now, before we see the rest of the house, always make sure you have the representation. Details will be below on how you can contact us. Do not come without us. Check out the washroom right here. Now we come over here and we're gonna have the loft area here, which is really nice. You have to have a loft area in a new construction home. Come this way and you're going to have the primary bedroom here with the primary restroom. Check that out. Now we come on this side and you're gonna have the shared restroom here with the full tub. We're gonna have another bedroom on this side. So this is gonna be the third bedroom with the fourth bedroom right on that side. Check that out. So if you're looking to buy a brand new house, you just gotta look at what this looks like. They have great interest rates at the time of this recording. Again, the prices are gonna be in the low 600,000s for something like this. At the time of this recording, that can definitely change. Let's help you buy a brand new house. Do not come without us. Details will be below. Book a 15-minute call with us. I hope you guys enjoyed the touring of these models. Now, like I always like to say, do not come without us. I do want to give you guys a quick recap. We've seen the Model 4 has the bedroom downstairs. The Model 3 has the bigger great room at the bottom. And then the Model 1 is going to be the most ideal one in that like mid to high 500,000s at the time of this recording. Now, HOA is going to be low 300s. And then at build out, it does go down. Tax rate's about 1.95. Let's call it 2%. And that's gonna be with Malaroos and everything. You also have to purchase solar, but there's great incentives here. And I can help you break down this whole process of actually buying a new construction home. If this is not what you're looking for, detached condo, you want more single family, I got you. I can help you make that happen. Again, we're in the city of Rialto. If you want more information, there's gonna be some details down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. If you're on Instagram, give us a follow so we can continue to update with buyer tips and communities coming to the market just like this one. SoCal Cedeno out.